Oh, sweetie. 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 Sweetie, I gotta tell you, I think your private moment is getting a little disgusting. Rather unsavory. Oh, sweetie.
Sorry, sweetie.
I don't know what to do with you, sweetie. You know.
Well, sweetie.
You told me you were no longer eating birds off the lattice.
Okay, so you caught me, all right? I went off the program. I'm sorry.
Well, I'm not telling you, I'm just telling you to go easy on yourself, and, it doesn't mean you have to eat every bird in sight just because you went off the program.